Hey friends, who's hungry? If you love mint chocolate desserts, this cool and creamy grasshopper pie is about to be your new favorite treat. Start by crushing 24 chocolate sandwich cookies into fine crumbs. Stir them together with 5 tablespoons of melted butter until the mixture looks like wet sand. Press the cookie crumbs firmly into a 9-inch pie plate or springform pan. Be sure to cover the bottom and the sides. Refrigerate the crust for 30 minutes or bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes for a firmer crust. Let the crust cool completely. In the meantime, beat 1 cup of heavy whipping cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar in a large mixing bowl until stiff peaks form. Place the homemade whipped cream in the refrigerator while you prepare the rest of the filling. In a saucepan over low heat, combine 1 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows with half a cup of milk. Stir the mixture constantly until it is smooth and the marshmallows are fully melted. Remove the pan from the heat and let it cool slightly. Stir in 1/4 cup of crème de menthe, 2 tablespoons of crème de cacao, and a few drops of green food coloring if desired. Gently fold the marshmallow mixture into the whipped cream until it is smooth and fluffy. Spoon the filling into the prepared pie crust and smooth the top. Refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours until fully set. Top the pie with whipped cream, slice, and serve chilled. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.